All right, so today's daily instructions are this. Number one, you are going to be doing your sketch based on the word lightning. So spend about 7 minutes, add to your larger drawing, overlap, go off the edges, shade in spaces, all that fun stuff. The next thing is to finish this assignment here, which is 5.7 marker, watercolor, color pencil practice. You shouldn't really be spending more than 45 minutes on this, so this should be finished already. But as I go to SpeedGrader, only 6 people have turned it in. So get this done. The point of this is to actually help you get a head start on color pencil layering. So it gives you that base layer, whether you're working with marker or watercolor. And once you lay down that solid color, you're using the color pencils to add the highlights and shadows. So this final drawing for your marker, watercolor, color pencil practice, this should look three-dimensional. There should be darker versions of the color. There should be lighter versions of the colors. And you've combined those in such a way to make it look three-dimensional. All right, so once that is done, then you are ready to start on your actual project. So you're going to be doing your project in your sketchbook. And there's 2 different ways to start with this. The first one is if you do have your photo printed out for you. So I tried to give those to the sub on Monday. Hopefully you have a copy of that. Maybe you didn't turn yours in. Maybe the sub didn't hand them back. I'm not sure. So if you don't have a physical copy printed out of your picture, you're going to have to complete this assignment right here. And it is called 5.5-2 Candid Photo Second Chance. And there is a whole process for you to help you get your digital photo, put it in a Google slide, and then grid it using your screen. So either way, either you are taking your physical photo and drawing a grid on it, or you're putting a digital grid on it. You need a gridded reference, and then you need a proportionally accurate enlarged drawing space, I guess. So here is my reference photo. Here is my grid. What I had to do, both of them have demo videos. So if I'm working with my physical photo, I'm going to measure it. So this is about 2.5, 2.25 by 3.5. I have to convert that into a fraction, and then I have to multiply it by a number in order to make it large enough. So today is really about getting your grid set up and starting to draw. Just like we did in the practice, I would recommend drawing on top of these lines. These are your contour lines, and then finding that spot in the box, or in this case the triangle, and draw very lightly. When your finals project is done, you do not want to see any of the pencil outlines. You don't want to see your grid lines. So please email me or Canvas message me. I have been going through and grading things. So let's say if we go back to the go back to the color pencil color theory. You'll have feedback in there. For your grid drawing practice, if you didn't go back and look at the feedback, go back and look, because what I did in this one is I drew on top of your image you submitted to see where you were off, where you could have been a little bit more accurate. So that is what I have in store for you today. Hopefully I will be back there on Friday. Again, if you need help, please email me, and I will do my best to help you with whatever you need. Have a great day.